In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Facebook Marketplace alerts. If you love finding great deals or you're on the hunt for a specific item, alerts will help you see new listings right when they appear so you can act fast. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website in your browser. Once you're in, head to Marketplace. On mobile, you'll usually find the Marketplace icon on the bottom bar or under the menu. On desktop, look for Marketplace in the left-hand sidebar. This is where all local listings live and where your alerts will be based. Next, use the search bar at the top of Marketplace. Type in what you want to track, maybe iPhone, sofa, or any specific model or size you care about. To make the results more relevant, apply filters. Set a price range that matches your budget, choose your location and distance so you're only seeing nearby items, and pick a condition like new, or used. These filters shape what your alert will watch for, so take a moment to get them right. Tight filters mean fewer, more accurate alerts. Broader filters mean more options but potentially more noise. After your search results load, look for the Save Search or Get Alerts option near the top of the results. Tap or click Save. That's the key move that tells Facebook to watch for new listings that match your keywords and filters. You can create separate saved searches for different items if you're tracking more than one thing. To make sure you actually hear about new matches, check your notification settings inside Facebook. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and select Marketplace. Turn notifications on. Here you can choose how you want to be notified through in-app notifications, email, or push notifications on your phone. If you prefer fewer pings, you can keep email on and push off. If you want instant updates, enable push notifications. If you're not seeing alerts later on, double check that notifications are allowed for Facebook in your device settings as well. From now on, whenever a new listing matches your saved search, Facebook will send you a notification. Tap the alert to view the item right away. Since popular items can go fast, it helps to respond promptly, review the photos and description carefully, and confirm details like condition, pickup location, and price before you make any commitments. Always follow common sense safety practices when meeting sellers. That's all it takes to set Facebook Marketplace alerts. Set your first search, save it, enable notifications, and let Facebook do the monitoring for you. Happy hunting, and I hope you land exactly what you're looking for.